Hey guys, Jay here from Professional Audio and Television. Today I'm here to introduce you to the Riedel Communications intercom products. So let's start with the Bolero wireless intercom. A Bolero system is made up of two main components, a belt pack and an antenna. One antenna can connect up to 10 belt packs, and a maximum of 100 antennas and 250 belt packs make up a Bolero net. On the front of the antenna, we can find a high contrast e-ink display for status and setup info. This is particularly useful when trying to identify the IP address and name of the antenna, even when it's off. On the bottom, there is power, various mounting options, and 3 RJ45 connections for AES67, config, and linking multiple antennas or 4-wire interface units. Taking a closer look at the Riedel Bolero belt pack, we see a high contrast, sunlight readable, full color TFT display, up to 6 full duplex keys, call and status lights. The belt packs feature a convenient reply and menu button, 2 rotaries and a bottle opener to help you celebrate the end of a long day. The bottom of these belt packs feature an XLR headset connector, a 3.5mm line in, an additional USB charging option, and the power button is tucked up and out of the way. Other important features of the Riedel Bolero wireless intercom feature 17-hour battery life on belt packs, Bluetooth connectivity for your phone, and you can even add a caller into a party line. Belt packs have clear audio and are both dust and weather resistant, and you even have the ability to connect to an antenna over the air or via NFC. Pretty cool, right? The Bolero can be used in a standalone mode or integrated into a Riedel Artist Matrix. Now, let's take a closer look at the Artist 1024 and Smart Panels. The Artist 1024 is the latest evolution of the Artist ecosystem. In 2RU, you can have between 16 and 1024 ports and a mix of SMPTE 2110-30/31, AES67, MADI, and soon to include Dante. The Artist 1024 also supports 2022-7 and N+1 redundancy schemes. What we're showing here is 2 different types of panels. This is the RSP1232 Smart Panel. Among many other features, this panel includes 32 hybrid lever keys with integrated rotary encoders, high-resolution touchscreen displays, RGB LED rings, and full-range stereo speakers. This panel comes in 16 and 32 key options with an expansion panel option as well. Over here we have another option, the DSP2312 Desktop Smart Panel. Intuitive sunlight readable touchscreens, 12 programmable keys, individual volume control, AES67, AVB, and AES3 connectivity. This has just been a brief overview of the intercom technology available from our friends at Riedel Communications. Everything you've seen here today is available for a trusty PAT obligation-free demo. If you'd like to find out more or have a test of all the stuff you've seen today, contact the friendly PAT team. This has been Jay for Professional Audio and Television. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.